Pistachio, do we have any complaints? Hey loves, it's your girl Joeylissette. Today's video is a Valentine's Day glam. I am super excited with how this came out. Okay, definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am not mad at this. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this tutorial. So I'm starting off with my brows, and I am using Soap Brows and my NYX brow pencil in the color Espresso. As you guys know, I love my laminated brow look, so that's what I am doing. I'm going to use my P. Louise base to carve out my brows, and this is Rumor 4. You know what I just realized? I want to do like a Valentine's thing. Almost everybody I know got somebody. It just hit me. I'm like, single people, comment below. And then I'm gonna do one eye, and then the other eye is going to be for Instagram. I'm taking my NYX brow pencil, and I am just really drawing a very thin line like so. It's gonna be like my which is no problem because at the end of the day I don't have to deal with stress. Why, especially nowadays, the relationship seems so stressful. I do not need somebody in my life adding stress. Like, I want to date, but then I'm like, damn, all the stuff that goes with dating. Everyone's like, oh, you haven't met the right person yet. And you know what? They're probably right. Today, I'm gonna get some help from my little friends. I got them from Amazon. They're called Shadow Shields, and they save you so much time and stress. So I'm taking a little bit of translucent powder and I'm applying it over my eyelid. I definitely meant to say eyelid. I am going to be working with the Morphe palette. Yeah, sometimes I don't get the point of it anymore. It's such a struggle. And then meeting people, well, hard to meet people in person nowadays. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take these two. 1, 2. We're going to mix them together. And I'm applying it right on that harsh line. I really want to soften that deep maroon purplish color up. That's a really pretty combination. So now I'm taking the color Private Villa and I'm really softening up that on those colors. Actually really pretty. We are going to take our pink base. So I feel like this is week 2 of being consistent. You know, my first video was definitely saying how I want to be consistent with my content. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. I honestly feel like the consistency is there. I just have to stick with a schedule. My biggest thing before, I would never stick to a schedule. I feel like, oh yeah, TikTok and stuff, if you want to blow up, especially with your business, like do TikTok. But I've had more success blowing up on Instagram than I have on TikTok. Now I'm just topping this off with this shimmery color called Revel in It. Same palette. We're gonna go ahead and add the eyeliner. This is from Beauty. Also, one thing I told myself this year for 2022 is I'm gonna stop being afraid, especially when post beauty content and IG reel. You know, people can talk, they can say whatever, but I just have to realize that I cannot let it get to me. What held me back a lot, because I was like, oh my gosh, what are people gonna say? Doing this video, she thinks she could do makeup. Now I'm like, honestly, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my falsies. Remember to always apply mascara before your fake lashes and do not apply mascara over your fake lashes. just on your natural lash. And shout out, this is my collection, Lovecitybeauty. Perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my IG eye. And now that both eyes are finished, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. So remember, we already put the primer on, so now it's time to do the foundation. Foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in the color 310. You know what's so crazy? I'm literally putting this on so fast that I'm editing right now. I thought that this was fast forward, but no, this is real time. I'm just really moving pretty quick. Now we're not gonna get underneath the eye because we don't want too much product, because remember, the skin under here is very thin, so you don't want it to look cakey, scaly, dry, especially because I already have dry skin. This looks beautiful. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Make sure my hair is not in the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up like so, like a little dot, and then I'm gonna gently. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend it. When I spray the setting spray, it just makes it last. A little of the Camo Concealer. It's fair beige. I'm using a little brush because I don't want to disrupt the eyeliner here. I already did. That's fine. That's fine. It is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and press this all up here. Now I'm going to take my brush and I'm just gonna continue pressing it in. My Il Makiage setting powder, and I'm applying it lightly at first. We're gonna work on the under eyes while that just sets. Cannot forget the nose. Mint tea with lemon. Try it now and thank me later. Okay, so go ahead and contour this nose. You know, before I actually hated contouring my nose, I didn't see the point. And then when I started teaching like online classes for Il Makiage, I used to teach a lot of people overseas and a lot of women from the UK. It is like huge over there. Like they would book a class just to learn how to nose contour, and I was like, oh. And then I started doing it over and over again, and I actually got pretty into it. Jumbo. I saw this on TikTok. I don't know if I was supposed to put that much. I don't know if she put it on the tip, but I'm gonna put it on the tip. I know she put it on the inner corners, but I don't want to do that. We're gonna take the contour, going to push up. That looks so good. That's one thing I love about TikTok. I just knew my camera was gone. Oh my gosh. I just knew it was freaking gone. That's scary. So now we want to go in here. Just using whatever leftover concealer is on that brush. So let's take the setting powder. I mean, I guess it could be a setting powder, but it's definitely the Fit Me pressed powder that I'm using. And if you haven't noticed, I'm definitely congested. Oh my gosh. So now for underneath the eyes, we're gonna do the same color concept. We're gonna take that dark purple. Like that. take my black eyeliner. And this is the NYX Jumbo black eyeliner pencil. Oh my gosh, if I didn't hate my voice before, like I really do now, being congested. Lord help these faces that I make when I'm doing my makeup. I'm using that brush, by the way, to smudge out that black eyeliner into like the purplish color. So that way it's like a very smoky black look. The real life concentration I have going on right now is crazy. I got that Mulan song in my head. It was the one that goes, "You'll bring honor to us all. Cut me my check, please." Take some pink and we're gonna go on the bottom. Sharpen up that harsh edge. Again, though, we're trying another viral TikTok. I'm gonna use that pink. Hold up. So that's forever staying in my routine now.